Hello, welcome to the Spoon Fork Heart Kitchen. สวัสดีค่ะ My name is Siri. Today I'm going to show you how to make Thai curry fish cake or โฮมหมกปลา First we're going to start with the fish. Today I use 2 pounds of the survive fillet, 2 pounds, and I'm gonna cut them very small. This is very cold, just come out from the freezer, and they dissolve, but they still very close. So I'm gonna cut them to be very small pieces, and then you're going to have the big bowl with you too, so you can put in the big bowl. So we have to, for this recipe, you have to mix all the fish and all the ingredients together. And also for fish, you can change to be your favorite fish. You don't have to use survive. You can use tilapia, you can use salmon, or your favorite fish. Okay, so now I cut the survive fish, all 2 pounds, and this how small that I cut. They kind of very small because some people they might put in the blender or they might pound them, but I want to make it easy for you guys, so I'm just gonna cut them real small. This is gonna work too, okay? Okay, I already tell you in the beginning you need a big bowl because you have to mix everything together. Okay, and next I'm going to add the red curry. Okay, I use the 6 ounce the red curry, so it's up to you for the red curry too. If you don't like too spicy, you don't have to add them all 6 ounce. You can cut it on, and then you can mix with paprika to make the color is look red or look nice. But I like a little bit spicy, so I add them all 6 ounce. Okay, and I'm going to try to mix it well with the fish and the curry. Okay, now I'll be mixing our fish and the curry about 3 minutes. Next, I'm going to add the coconut cream. This is the coconut cream I use, but you can use any coconut cream that you can find. I'm going to slowly add them a little bit at a time. I'm not gonna pour them all because you want the consistency to be a little bit thick. So if you add them all at the same time, it will come too runny. It will be difficult for you to mix them, make them thick, I mean. And then when they mix well, just add another quarter. Like I will finish this 4 times, and then just keep doing this until you finish your coconut cream. Okay, now my coconut cream and fish and the curry mixed well. Next, I'm going to add egg. I'm going to use 2 eggs. 1 and 2. I will use 2 eggs. Okay, and I'm going to mix the egg and everything well again. Okay, now an egg mixed well too. I'm going to add some seasoning. I'm gonna use 3 tablespoons fish sauce. Okay, I will use 3 tablespoons fish sauce. But sometimes for the fish sauce, for the salt in it, it depends your red curry too. Alright, 3 tablespoons. And I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of coconut sugar. Here the 2 tablespoons coconut sugar. 1 and 2. Okay, and I'm going to give them the mix again. You can see the consistency. We want it thick like this. Okay. Try to mix them all. Okay, and now when you make all the seasoning and everything well together, you want to taste and you want to make sure you're happy with the taste. So I'm going to show you how I taste my raw ingredient. I'm just gonna add a little bit, like 1 spoon. A little, and I'm going to put in the microwave for 30 seconds. Wait for 30 seconds. Okay, and now 30 seconds, and they're really hot. So make sure you be careful when you taste it. They're kind of hot. If you're happy with the salty, sweet, and spicy, and you can add the next ingredient right now. Okay, so when you're happy with your taste, your flavor, so now I'm going to add the next ingredient. So I'm going to add 1 cup the basil. Okay, and I'm going to add the julienne kaffir lime leaf. About this much. I cut them 10 leaves, and then I'm going to save a little bit for garnish. Okay, now gonna mix all well together again. So these 2 herbs will help to balance all the fishy from the fish. Okay, before I ready to move and put inside the container, I already have my steamer ready. I'm gonna cook inside the steamer today. Okay, so next I'm going to put the vegetable on the bottom of the container. Okay, I use kale today. I use 2 cups of kale, but for the vegetable, it's up to you. In Thailand, we cook this recipe inside the banana leaf. So did you know we cook inside the banana leaf, we steam inside the banana leaf, but hard to find it over here, so that's why I use to put in the bowl. Okay. And for the vegetable, it's just up to you how much you're going to put on each bowl. I like to put extra vegetable. Okay, so I forget to tell you, I put the kale and also I have the cabbage too for the vegetable. So I use both the vegetable. You can use just one or you can use different vegetable, it's up to you. Sometimes spinach is go good with this too. Okay, and now I'm going to add our fish and curry, everything inside here. I think it's about 2 scoops. Yep, it's about this. Okay. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Oop, might be too much. Okay, so I have 6 containers, 6 bowl total for about this size the bowl for this recipe. If you not cook inside the steamer like me, if you want to cook inside the oven, you have to preheat your oven for 350. Okay, but today, like I'm saying, I'm going to steam them. Okay, and now my steamer ready. The water come to the boiler. I think I'm not gonna fit 6 bowl in here, so I'm gonna do 2 layers. Okay, I'm gonna start putting first 1, 2, and 3. I fit 3 in here, and then I'm gonna do the second layer. Another 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm going to let them steam for 22 minutes or until our fish cake is cooked all the way. Let me put the cover on. And if you cook in the oven, you put the 350 Fahrenheit until the 40 minutes. It will take a little bit longer. Okay, now we're going to wait for our fish cake to cooking. Okay, while we let our fish steaming, so now we have time to clean and also have time to make the topping. So okay, the topping is gonna have 3 things. So I'm gonna have the kaffir lime leaf that I saved it earlier, and also I'm going to use the red bell pepper. It's just a little bit. So I'm going to just cut them small. Okay, for the chili, you can use the sweet pepper. So okay, so I just need a little bit. I cut them about 12 to 14 pieces to be garnished on the top. And then so I have the now kaffir lime leaf and the red bell pepper. And next I'm going to have the coconut milk. I use 3-4 cup coconut milk. This is a regular coconut milk. So I'm going to put inside the small pot. Okay, this is for the topping, and I'm going to add 1 tablespoon the cornstarch. Okay, I'm gonna give this mix well. And then I'm going to go simmer to the stove. Okay, now I'm going to simmer our coconut milk and cornstarch on the stove. I just want to take them up. Okay. So this is just a little bit little pot, so just be careful. Keep mixing them because they will turn to thick very fast. You don't want to burn your topping. Okay, and now be 22 minutes we let our fish cake cook. Oops, oh, look at this, 22 minutes. I'm going to use the stick to check. Yep, it should come out clean. Okay, and now I'm gonna turn off the heat because they're all cooking. They're all done cooking. Okay, be careful. This is gonna be hot. All right, gonna move first layer. Okay, and there's a bottom layer. Be careful. It's hot. Okay, so now we're going to remove them out. But they're really hot. Gonna put them all on the rack. All right. Wow, look like some of them I put them a little too extra. And then when they cook, they pop them on the top, so they okay, but it's okay, I think. All right, now we're going to garnish and put the topping and the garnish. Wow, I can't wait to eat this, but we're gonna have to make the topping first. So I'm going to make put the coconut cream that we making earlier, the coconut milk mixed with the cornstarch, okay, to make it thicker. So I'm gonna put on the top. Okay, so perfect with the coconut topping now. Next I'm going to add the julienne kaffir lamb that we're saving, a little bit on each bowl. Look better with all the color right now. They look better, and it look better and also make the taste better too. Next topping, our laced bell pepper. Just go like this. Oh, it just dropped inside there, perfect spot. Okay. Wow. In Thailand, we will eat this curry fish, the steamed curry fish. We will eat with rice. We will eat jasmine rice along with all the Thai dish. But if you put a lot of vegetable, you can just eat it by themselves, but it might be strong with all the fish. So we usually eat with the jasmine rice. Okay, now that's it. We're done. Ready to try them with the rice. Okay, now I'm ready to try it. I didn't make this recipe for a while, so now I really excited to try them. Okay, so I'm just gonna eat with the jasmine rice. All right. Oh, it's gonna still so hot. Look at all the steam coming out. I hope it's not too hot for me. Okay, let me be careful. Oh, I cannot wait to try another bite. Okay, now I'm going to try another bite. Okay. The curry, the vegetable and everything mixing well together, and a little bit spicy from the curry. So fish. Okay, so this is another my favorite recipe that I didn't be making for a while, so I'm really happy to have them today, making them today. All right, thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video. I hope you like this recipe. Please give me a thumb up, subscribe, and you will see me for the next recipe. Thank you.